buttons. I think they're a really good example of something you can engrave that you probably never thought of. In our past, we used to sell resin buttons with images that we printed on them. You would have been surprised at how well they sold. I went ahead and engraved 2 types of buttons to show what's possible. If you want to try this too, we'll include links to some different button options in the description below. Before engraving anything, and to make my life a little easier, I created a quick jig from a scrap of wood. Since this piece had been pushed to the top left-hand corner of the laser bed, I just needed to line up my designs with the holes in the cut file used. By doing this, I'm guaranteed the designs will line up perfectly with the buttons when placed in the holes. Hopefully this makes sense. The first type of buttons I engraved were pre-made wood buttons. I just had to drop them in the jig holes, making sure the holes for the thread were consistently oriented. The cute dinosaur images you see here were designed by our in-house artists. We'll make the designs available if you'd like to use them on buttons or your other projects. Just see the description below for more information on how to get the file. To show that you're not completely limited to wood buttons, I also engraved some plastic buttons. You'll notice that you can hardly see the designs, but I'll take care of that in the next step. Rubbing or brushing in a little acrylic paint into the engravings and then wiping the excess off does a good job of bringing out the design details. I think you'll find buttons can be a really good addition to your laser business. I admit they may not be the most exciting or glamorous of laser products to sell, but you also might not find much, if any, competition. This is especially true if you went the extra mile and offered personalized images or messaging on them. Something to think about.
Thanks for watching. There's a link in the description for access to all the designs and files shown in our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more videos coming soon. Stay tuned.